PLUG stock analysis and PLUG stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos that has actually done them and documented them all as proof. It's all on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years and I have all that on my YouTube channel. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Unironically speaking, for me, this is exactly what I was expecting. I mean, I'm not even trying to be, yell at you here or anything, but here's the before. A video that was quite literally made 19 hours ago. 5 p.m. This is post-market, right? Post-market, there you go. And all I wanted to see is the price to do its thing and deliver. And seeing that was the case, I mean, this is very beautiful. Like, sort of took the highs out, came down, almost did that. But, I mean, all I have to say, mate, is that unless there is some sort of a double break, that I'm not willing to randomly buy. So, I do have a lot of previous receipts here in the Discord regarding PLUG. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.